The topic of sex and gender in school sports remains controversial, and next week it'll be the focal point of the Supreme Court when it takes up a case from West Virginia. KDKA's Linder has the details.
West Virginia is ready for this argument, and we expect it to be a 9-0 decision.
West Virginia Attorney General J.B. McCuskey is preparing for his team of lawyers to make their case in front of the U.S. Supreme Court Tuesday, a case defending the state's Save Women Sports Act that prohibits those born as male from playing on female sports teams.
Our argument here is that, very simply, biological males are bigger, faster, and stronger than girls, and therefore it creates an unfair and an unsafe playing space for girls.
This comes after West Virginia appealed a lower court ruling that found its ban violates the rights of an 11-year-old identified as BPJ, who had been taking puberty-blocking medication and has publicly identified as a girl since she was in the 3rd grade. She sued the state as a middle schooler because she wanted to compete on cross-country and track teams.
The law treats biological males and biological females identically, which is a very massive distinction between what the BPJ and the ACLU are describing.
I feel like at best the framing of the argument is disingenuous, and at worst it's malicious. Trans people want to play sports just like everybody else.
Kennedy Botts is with Sisters Pittsburgh, a nonprofit serving the Black transgender community. She says some research shows there are few differences more than 4 years after someone is medically transitioned.
After a certain point, the biological differences between transgender men and cis men was negligible, and that the same was true for trans women and cis women.
She adds that there is a small percentage of transgender people who take part in competing sports, so she says there is a very small impact. At the same time, she argues everyone is built differently, even when comparing two assigned the same sex at birth. One may have broad shoulders and another may not, giving a greater advantage for, say, a swimmer.
People's genes are what they are. I think that the measures that we're currently trying to divide it along are not fair.
A decision on a case like this likely won't come until late June, early July, before the court takes its summer recess. For now, reporting from Pittsburgh, Linder, KDKA-TV News.